We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Full freezer. If you don't intend to use a freezer again within a few weeks, you should defrost and unplug the freezer. The jugs both cut down on the cubic footage your freezer needs to keep cold, and provides lots of thermal mass to stabilize the freezer's temperature. Both will help trim the freezer's energy usage.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.